Mmm. It is perfect. Hello beautiful people, Yasmin here. Welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Today you're in for an incredible treat. I'm sharing with you this absolutely delicious chicken wing recipe. This recipe was one of the very first recipes that I posted on my food blog. It's a peppered sesame soy chicken wings. I tweaked it a little bit today. I will leave the old recipe up. You could also use that version. But today I made some very minor tweaks to it and it's still as beautiful as the original recipe. So I do hope that you'll stick around with me to see how I make this beautiful, very simple recipe.
Your subscription is very much appreciated, and get the printable recipe on our food blog.
Okay, so for this recipe, I'm using 4 pounds of chicken wings that I seasoned a little bit earlier because I like to have it marinated for about 2 hours. You can marinate it up to overnight, but 2 hours I find is just perfect. So let me first take you through how I seasoned the chicken.
I'm using 2 tablespoons sesame oil for great flavor, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, good quality, fresh crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon, fresh thyme, 1 tablespoon, Chinese 5 spice, half a teaspoon, sea salt, 1 teaspoon, freshly ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons. Mix the marinade to combine. I'm using 4 pounds of chicken wingettes. I'm adding it to the marinade and I'm mixing this very well to coat. You could use a spoon or glove when you do this. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 2 hours.
Okay, so now all I want to do is add the chicken to a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. I also have the oven being preheated at 350 degrees.
Also, I usually take the chicken out of the refrigerator 30 minutes before baking them.
Also, what I like to do, any of the little seasoning that remains, I just sprinkle it on. Okay, great. So this is now ready for the oven. I'm going to allow it to bake very slowly so that it remains moist and juicy at the same time. So I'm going to get this in the oven. Okay, so the wings are all in the oven and I'm going to allow it to bake for a total of anywhere from 50 minutes to 1 hour. Halfway through the cooking time, I am going to flip the chicken wings on the other side. Okay, so the wings have been cooking for about 30 minutes. So now what I want to do is flip them over. So I'm going to go ahead and do that.
Wow, these looks beautiful and smells great already. I'm using a kitchen tong to flip the chicken wings so they can brown on the other side. And then I'm going to return them to the oven to bake for another 20 to 30 minutes.
Wow, beautiful people, look at these wings. They look perfect color, smells amazing. I can't wait for them to cool down and taste them. Wow, beautiful people, you guys know what time it is, right? Taste testing, my favorite time. It is so moist. It is perfect, perfectly cooked, perfectly seasoned. So I do hope that you'll take the time to make this amazing recipe and enjoy it as much as we do around here. Until next time, happy cooking!